Oh, they are so close. Wait, how close are they? Wait, they're getting so close. They're coming. They're coming. Run away!
Today I'm pretty nervous because, well, actually I'm very excited as well, because today I'm going to go out and hopefully vlog in public. That is the plan. I've also got Carson with me today, so we should have some fun. We're going to go down into Richmond. Hopefully it's not too cold and wet. It should be a nice day. Hopefully we should be able to get some good shots. And we're also going to go see, who we're going to go see?
Nanny.
Yeah, we're going to go see my mum, his nanny, and she's not been well too recently, so hopefully we can make her feel a bit better, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, so we'll see you soon.
Bye. Daddy, it's not raining. It wasn't raining, Daddy.
I think Mummy's ringing us. Hello? Yeah, just leave him. Yeah.
So we're now in the car and we're about to drive down to my mum's, or we're driving down to Nanny's, aren't we?
Yeah.
Which is about a 40-minute drive away. Yeah, about a 40-minute drive. So we are...
To the vape shop.
We're going where?
To the vape shop.
Yeah, I've got to drop in at the vape shop and pick up some vape liquid as well. So we're going to get driving and we'll catch you in a bit. Where are we?
Nanny!
Nanny's house! Do you know the way?
Yeah? I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Show me the way. Okay, I'll follow you. Where is everybody? Nanny! She's coming. Yeah, we can. You want to take your coat off? Take it. Okay, so I'm actually back in my car now. My little boy Carson, he's at my mum's, at his nan's, and the plan is to obviously go into Richmond and just get out there and start vlogging. Now I'm not trying to put it off. I mean, I am a bit. I'm not gonna lie, but it is freezing out. It's raining. I don't know if you can see on the windows. Hopefully it will show you that it's raining, and it's probably not the best day to do it. But I have just got to pop into town anyway and still grab some bits and pieces from the shop. So, I mean, if the weather gets a bit better, I'll certainly get out there and do something. Failing that, I'm going to go back, grab Carson, and we're probably going to go down to Richmond River and maybe feed the ducks or do something. But yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, so I am actually hiding around the back of Richmond Station. And it is still freezing, but it has stopped raining, so I don't really have much of an excuse. I'm pretty much just gonna have to own it. It already feels strange because there are people about, they are watching, but I need to actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk through Richmond Station and come out the front where it should be fairly busy, as if I'm owning it, and I just need to do it. So, problem is, right, as I was walking into Richmond, there was a guy who was simply just taking photos on his camera. All he was doing was taking photos, and he was already drawing a lot of attention. Now I've got this rig here, which is just like a handheld unit. I'll try and take a photo actually, so you can see what I'm holding. So that's what I'm holding, and yeah, I'm just gonna kind of walk through the station now and own it. So yeah, this is Richmond. Oh, I don't know if I can do this. Oh, come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, Ben. Come on, Ben. You can do it. I'm trying to psych myself up here to actually do it. All right, there are people watching. I can do this. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm owning it. I'm gonna try and... I think the key, right? The key is to actually interact with people. They all know what I'm doing, but that's... Hiya! So yeah, so this is Richmond. I'm gonna try and go slow because I feel like I'm just rushing through it. But yeah. Okay, we're inside the station properly. And yeah, it's getting attention. Oh, we're coming up. Okay, I think the more you do this, the easier it will get. Because it's certainly not easy. I don't know if it will ever get easy, but I'm definitely doing it. To Richmond. So I need to go to the vape shop, and then I'm gonna get a little Greg's. Might get a little cheese and onion pasty. The heart is racing. But I'm gonna have to come out and do this again at some point.
Can I have 2 vegan sausage?
Vegan sausage rolls?
And can I also have 1 cheese and onion? Not in the same.
Vegan sausage rolls. So I'm actually eating Greg's, and it started pissing down outside, so I'm going to try and weigh it out and get back out there, because I do feel like I just rushed through the crowd, but I just want to be out there and do it properly. So we're going to eat this pasty, nice cheese and pasty, and then we'll get back out there. Okay, so I've just had my pasty. It was freezing cold, it wasn't the best pasty at all, and the rain has stopped, so I've just come back outside, and go ahead, no worries bud. I'm not going in.
Oh, good. Just need to make sure. All right.
That's alright, cheers mate. Awkward. Anyway, I've got the fear again, so I'm hiding down a nice quiet road, and I want to get back out there, but oh, we just got to do it, right? We just got to do it. Let's do it. So the problem with Richmond is ridiculously busy, even on a Sunday. But I'm coming out of this road, and I'm going to walk out into the high street. I'm going to own it. I'm going to own it. Do it properly this time. We can do this. It might get noisy. I'm not too sure. So the vape shop's just across the road, and that's where we're going to go. I'm good, how are you?
How was your trip?
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
David, it's Benjamin.
How are you?
Very good. Good to see you.
Hello.
Nice. Very nice. You make a YouTube channel or what?
So yeah, this is what a vape shop looks like. A decent one. Where's the dog?
That was here.
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Hello. Very cute.
Just sleeping.
It's a good dog. No trouble. So I'm pretty much done in Richmond now. I'm actually walking back to the car because I've been to the vape shop and done what I needed to do. In terms of vlogging in public, I kind of feel like I failed a little bit because I haven't overcome the fear just yet. But I definitely did get out there, I did attempt it. So, you know, I'm proud of myself for that, little by little, every step counts. So I'm off to go pick up Carson now because he wants to come and hopefully see the ducks. Hopefully if it don't start raining again, I'll get down there and you'll get to see that. And yeah, I will maybe catch you in a bit really. So, do you know what? The more I do this, the easier it's gonna get. So I'm gonna keep at it. Hopefully I'll improve, and you'll get to see that. What? Out in public. Carson! Carson! Open the door! Hey!
I'm getting some more.
Yeah? It's freezing and wet outside. Hello. So yeah, this is Kai. This is my nephew.
Hello mate, he's a rebel of course.
Making Carson a little cheese sandwich.
Yeah,
What are you eating?
Weetabix and some honey.
Oh, it looked like tomato. I was thinking, what are you eating Weetabix and tomato for?
Vlogging.
I'm gonna try and start, right? So I thought, right, I need to get practice in motion. So I thought I'd go into Richmond and walk with a camera. Mate, it's so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
You can't do it. It's impossible.
It is hard.
I was like this. Yeah, it's actually impossible.
So you should do it and you're like, oh, it looks
Yeah. It looks easy. It's not easy.
I know,
It's
I
ridiculous. Do you know how it would be easy if you already had 20 million subscribers or something?
Yeah.
Then you'd walk around like,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
I've got
easy.
20 million subscribers.
It's a
But
new thing.
when you've got 4, it's a different matter. Comfortable? Yeah? Kai's making you a cheese sandwich. Do you like cheese sandwiches? We're going! We're going! Yeah. You gonna say bye to Nanny?
Bye, Nanny.
You wanna give her a cuddle? Yeah, you do.
I did one already.
Oh, did he? Alright, well, we'll see you later. Bye!
Have fun with the ducks. Don't make them too fat.
They might be not there because it's so cold, but we're gonna go look for them.
Yeah, I'll make sure to email you or something like that.
Huh?
I'll make sure to email you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Message me when you've done it.
It's died on the water. We can throw it under, can't we?
See ya. Okay, so we're out.
My hat.
You want to take your hat off?
Yeah.
Okay. And still a bit wet and cold. Still a bit wet and cold. But we're gonna try and find some ducks.
Yeah.
Let's go find some ducks. Woo!
Bye, you. Bye, Bill.
So we just pulled back up in Richmond because whilst
We're gonna go to the duck.
we're gonna try and find some ducks, so we're gonna go down to Richmond River. But whilst I was at my mum's, she gave me this. If you don't know what this is what we used to call a video, VHS. And
Can you show this up?
and one moment, and I want to take this into Richmond because I think I can get this onto. Can you read that? If you can, Ben.G Rocket. I want to get this onto an MP4 format so that I can put it up for you guys. Because what it is me at the age of 14 going on a Ben.G rocket in Spain, and from memory I remember it being quite funny. So hopefully I can get that sorted. I think it takes 4 to 5 days. I should have that up by next week, and you can take a look at that. It should be a bit of a laugh. What did you want to show?
Yes.
You got a little Mario man.
Mario.
Yeah. Okay, so you ready to go find some ducks?
Not yet, because I need to know what it is.
We all know what that looks like he's doing, Carson. Oh dear. Where are we? Where are we?
I don't know.
I just told you. Snappy snaps.
Snappy.
Where?
Snappy.
Perfect. Okay, so we've actually made it down to the river.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are we?
At the river.
We're actually not really finding any ducks, but we're just going to walk along it and see if we can find some.
Yeah. Whoa.
We've just popped into, is it Snappy Snaps we went to?
Yeah.
And just dropped in the videos there, which will be of me doing the Ben.G rocket. And yeah, I'm actually looking forward to seeing those. I haven't seen those for a very long time, but I do remember them being quite funny. I actually feel quite comfortable down here doing this vlogging, because when you've got people like this doing their thing. Where?
There's lots of boats.
There is lots of boats. Okay, sorry, I just had to change the memory card quickly because, well, that's never happened to me. The memory card ran out.
Yeah.
But what do you want to do now?
Throw the bread.
We're gonna throw some bread. Okay. So let's come over here.
Ready, ready.
Ready, ready? That's a bit of bread. Whoa, you running away. Doggy's scaring them away.
Hey guys, look at
I want a bigger bit.
one.
Like that. Oh. Whoa. Oi.
Well, that one doesn't get.
Oh, they are so close. Wait, how close are they? Wait, they're getting so close. They're coming. They're coming. Run away! Should we go throw some more?
No.
You don't want to throw any more? Oh.
No.
Yeah, let's go throw some more.
No.
What do you want to do?
No.
You want to throw some more bread?
No. No, Daddy.
Okay, we can go home now. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Vodka revolutions. Tell you a lot of stories about this place. That was pretty funny. Those seagulls and those ducks, they wanted some bread. They were clearly hungry. They were very hungry, wasn't they?
Yeah.
They hadn't been fed for some time, I think, because we pretty much got attacked. But now we're hungry and we're gonna go get some food.
Yeah.
All right.
McDonald's. McDonald's. Where again?
Okay, so we've just got back in the car from McDonald's and going down the river. The river was quite funny, actually. We did have a good time.
We went to Nanny's.
We did. We went to Nanny's. I didn't get as much done as I was hoping to get.
With Lego.
You played with Lego. I'm gonna have a quick chat, okay? We didn't get as much done as I was hoping to get done, but I did some of the things that I wanted to do, so it was a success, I suppose. Look, do like and subscribe. I do apologise about the videoing and the editing. I am very much new to this, and I am editing everything on my iPhone, so...
And you picked me up.
And I picked you up, yeah, and I've had Carson with me as well, so, you know, I've been juggling a number of things, but, you know, hopefully it's not so bad for my first vlog, and I'm sure they'll improve, they'll get better, and yeah, look, you subscribing and commenting down below and following me is only going to help, so, you know.
Because he don't know.
I don't know what.
Don't cook.
So yeah, that's it, that's vlog.
Yeah.
I'm probably going to be changing the schedule because it's quite late now. I've still got a 40-minute drive back home. It's coming up to...
Because it's too late.
He's not going to let me talk. I've got a 40-minute drive back home now. By the time I get home...
Because you don't boot poo.
By the time I get home, it's going to be about 7 o'clock. Then I've got to try and edit it and get it put up. Let me talk! And by the time I've edited it... By the time I've edited it... Come on, come on.
Because you don't know.
By the time I've edited it and got it up...
You don't know.
I'm not going to have a...
You don't know.
I am not going to have a chance to get it edited and get it up to you at the same time. So I'm probably gonna start posting on a Monday. Probably gonna start posting it on a. I'm probably gonna start posting it on a Monday so that I can actually have some time to do some editing and get it up to you. But wait, what's this? What's this? Oh, and I will be doing my video and my story video on a Wednesday, which will remain the same this week, but I might change it for a Thursday. Right, we gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Because you don't know.